Okay, I got a new router, and this is, I think I have to record it. There's a new router, it's a wireless router, and I want to set up cursor to figure out how to configure it, and just starting from console port. This router is connected over mini DV to USB to my laptop, to my MacBook. See if I can get it to configure. Okay, it's wired. I think it's up and running. So I only have a console access to the router. I have to buy a console cable. Can you believe it? Today, still have to buy a console cable to connect. I don't even know that I can use this console cable or not. That's a check. Which is it is connected with. It is connected with USB port to my MacBook. Can you check you can get any prompt to the router? I have to say, Grok is really getting very good at it. Grok is fast, cursor is fast, much better than Cloud Code. I cannot believe this. Somebody knocking on the door. Okay, it's not finished. Okay, yeah, he's trying to connect you over Cisco NSO, but we don't need an NSO in this case. I think we just need a USB, just USB. Come on. Good. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, brilliant. Wow. This is amazing. This is just amazing. I mean, I have been configuring the router over NSO, but this is direct interface, okay, direct console port. Okay, so what I'm going to do next? Well, I want to set up the router as a bridge only, a wireless bridge. It means that I can connect a physical gigabit Ethernet port towards one of its LAN interface, LAN, LAN, not land. So using that interface, I can connect to my wireless router today. Okay, so basically this Cisco box will be just a bridge. It should not take as a layer 3, but I want this Cisco router to broadcast a new SSID Wi-Fi. The best will be to use the same SSID as my current Wi-Fi router, but any layer 3 functionality should stay on the Wi-Fi router, not on this Cisco box. This Cisco box is like a pure layer 2 bridge. It just broadcasts this SSID, the same SSID as my wireless router, and the same authentication, same Wi-Fi characteristic, and it will bridge my Wi-Fi traffic from my living room all over the Ethernet cable towards my Wi-Fi router. So this is what I'm meant to do. And you should pull the C891, so the 891, C891 Cisco Wi-Fi router, configuration guide, installation guide, whatever you need to set this up. Okay? So probably it's gonna take a while. I think it depends on how clever it is. Let's see if we can finish the work. Okay, I'm going to stop recording and come back once it's done. Let me check. You want the layer 2 AP. So no routing on Cisco. I will pull the config, read the current Wi-Fi settings, and confirm. What? This is amazing. Okay. You see, I have absolutely no idea how to configure access point. Okay, I know. Okay, I know some basic stuff, and I know that the router is it's a separate entity. Like iOS is iOS, and the AP is complete on the different operation system on the router, although they are on the same router, so they have to be configured as a separate. Oh, you already figured out. You've already figured out. Oh God. So yeah, the router, this 178.1, that's fine. My goodness. I'm going to, I hope I don't expose my Wi-Fi password so everybody gets hack into my network. Okay. Appreciate key, Whether this is a keychain? No, of course not. I'm not going to give you. Okay. Okay. I think probably I'm gonna stay on recording. This is so interesting. This is so amazing. Just amazing. Just amazing. Okay. He sees my he already see my my SSID. Okay, I have to hack this. So because okay, so please use the Steuersenken, not the Steuersenken one. The Steuersenken one is the repeater. I have in-house. Okay, so he is scanning, or the I can keep this message, I think, until he figured out. Okay, I can punch that in, maybe. Yes. This is just quite amazing. This is, I cannot comprehend. You don't have the keychain yet? Don't record that. Okay. So he's pulling my keychain from the MacBook, basically. I know. Yeah. Okay, he's doing it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, I have seen automations already a lot on cursor, but this is still the first time that I'm a CCIE. I always use console. I know, it takes you so much time to set up things, even though you're very actually good. You're good in CLI, and but you have to find out all the documentations, and you try this and try that. It's going to be a lot of fun, but you spend a lot of time as well. But here is just okay. The host side layer 2 WLAN 1 management, no DHCP NAT. I'm going to open the embedded AP and put SSH on it. Okay, fine. Okay, so he set up 250 as the management IP. AP A02 is autonomous. Okay. I have to give him the keychain again. Happy about both and appears here much. The Fritz box. Oh god, he knows the Fritz box. Okay. How could he do that? You see, now I'm still always thinking that I should train a small model to do all the configurations for Cisco, and apparently, with the frontier models, you just don't need it. It figured out everything by itself. I don't need to do anything. This is just so boring. Just so boring. This is so boring. Okay. So he's capturing this automatically in my skills. Next time it will basically next time we'll basically do it. Okay. Select Wi-Fi. Wow, it's done. It's done. So is this a Steuer senken? Is now layer to AP. Wow. What it does, broadcast bridged does not. Is this okay? Fine. Claim. Is it backhaul root AP, not a wireless repeater? Verified. Yes. Radio is up. SSID gap. Ethernet uplink is still unplugged. So the client test is not yet done. What do you need to plug? This is okay. Okay, let me do that. Let me just do that. Okay, well, one thing. Before I do plug in the cable, you need to make sure that once I disconnect from console, you need to be able to set up the router such that I can use SSH to get into the router. And for now, just use Cisco as a username and password as usual. And you should make sure that we save the configuration so we don't lose running config. Okay. Okay, so while he's doing it, I'm going to plug the cable, which is quite long still. Da -da 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 -da. Incredible. This is just incredible. Incredible. Okay, stay with me. I'm doing the cable. Okay. Go to the port 7. Let's see if I have long enough cable to go in there. Dun, dun. Gonna disconnect this. Oh shit. You're not seeing this because I'm moving my laptop around just to get myself closer to the Ethernet cable plugs. Okay. Just a second. Okay, just hold still. Okay. So he's slower than me. Actually, I'm very curious to see how is he actually doing. Okay. I must say this is one of the most interesting video I'm doing now, because I'm so thrilled to see how it actually interact with routing system and this agent coding. I mean, I wouldn't say this is coding platform. It's an overall integration of the code. Okay, fine. That's also saved. You can unplug the console now. SSH now. SSH on with config has written OK. Okay. Also saved VLAN. Yeah. You can unplug SSH. Okay. Wow. Well, I have connected to the GI7 port. Can you check if there's a connectivity, and can you actually ping the 250? Okay, so I mean, I have to still tell what to do, but I think, oh, it's working. I have to still tell it, but actually, I think I will SSH in and then confirm Jesus. Oh, okay, fantastic. I don't even need to disconnect the console. SSH. Fantastic. Yes, he's in. Already see the prompt. No ESXi prompt. Oh, did something wrong. SSH ping bash da. Okay. Okay, so what it is it up? Yeah. Ta-da. Check. Result up. Ping. SSH works well. The living room AP. You can try through the phone to get address from. Okay. Okay, so here's the hard question, which I hope we can solve. So if I'm moving around from my living room to upstairs, will my MacBook automatically roaming between this same SSID, or is there anything that we need to optimize? So he searched the web, and the Mac is to try to. I will check channels running. Can do fast roam or only full reconnect. Okay, fantastic. Oh, you see, all this knowledge I don't know. Okay, so it's really just like, you know, you ask question and the agent figured out. I'm very I'm very excited. Incredible. So he was checking all the wireless channels. I see. Wow. Okay. Okay, so what it says? Yes, Mac will roam by itself. You do not have to pick a network. It will not roam like a Fritz mesh repeater. The Mac stays on current AP until the signal falls to minus 75 dB, and then we don't move if other AP is stronger. Right now, it's still on Fritzbox. Okay, that is well above minus 75. It will not jump to Cisco until. Okay, fine. The Cisco is a different, slower BSS on the same name. Apple also prefer Wi-Fi 6, 160 megahertz over Wi-Fi 4. Oh, so after will clean to the Fritzbox. In living room, it uses only one Fritzbox X actually faded. When it does roam, it's normal. It's a normal reconnect, 10 to a few hundred milliseconds, not fast roam. Fast return transition to AP needs WDS. What is WDS? The Fritzbox does not speak that. Turning on only on Cisco would make roaming worse. Oh, okay. Fast roam, okay. 11R. Claim same. Worse changing optional. Leave. This is. That's already correct. Both look like channel 1. Moving the radio to 11 would cut core channel noise if you want that. On Cisco long, okay, keep using this is we should fill on walk a short hitch ping spike, maybe a WebEx blick. Then it will continue on the same. If the living room still has decent effect, the Mac may never leave. Okay, fine. And that is faster than 891. The Cisco is for the hole where Facebook actually dies. If you want, we can do a walk test next. I watch which SSID the Mac is on. Okay, fantastic. Let me disconnect the console attachment. You don't need that anymore, right? Because I still have my console connected to the router. I think I can disconnect once it confirms. Yes. Looks like yes. Oh. Just type in Cisco. Yes, unplug. Yes, I got it. Okay. I am disconnected from console and I'm going to walk around. You monitor my SSID signal and roaming. Oh, okay. He didn't log. I started live roam log on Mac. And ping when you switch APs. Walk whenever you're ready. Okay. Just see what he's doing now here. Swift T. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna work around. I'm still in the living room now. Take 2 live samples of the bash. So I output, because I'm going to move this closer, my Cisco closer to the balcony. I'm going to go on to the balcony. Yeah. You see he's monitoring. I'm going to go to the balcony. Okay. You will hear a notification if you actually switch. Come back when you have walked. Oh, some SSID. So the Fritz is 104. 36. We're still on 104, yeah. I think. Check. Ah. Channel 104, yes. Walk a little bit more. Huh. Okay. It's still on 104. Interesting. So it means on the balcony it will stay on 104.
Roam to C891-2G.
Oh, it switched now. Oh, a roam just fired. I will check. The mark left 5 GHz. Out signal has set minus about a minute. Then joined 2.4 channel 1. It's not Cisco 5G. That would be channel 1 is keep on walking. Ah, okay, because that is my repeater. Okay, my neighbor is gonna come out. Okay, I'm going to unplug this repeater. Okay, the repeater should be gone now. Keep on walking. The log is still running. Okay, I'm going to be out of my room now, just to see. Wow, I'm outside my apartment. Interesting, I'm still on channel 1. This cannot be. Weird. I still on channel 1. Still on Fritz. Works. Now I'm so far away from my apartment. Still stairs and while check. So I'm so far away from my living room. I'm outside my apartment completely. What do you see? Wow, still have very good connectivity. Wow. You left, yes. Doing now. Now the 11 went in, yes, good. About a minus 70 dB. You left Fritzbox at 12. You're not on this fast 5G. You also did not join 5G. You landed on 20, which is the 2.4 radio. Would still show AX. So similar, different AP living room. Slower, I never picked Cisco. Okay, well. So you mean that Cisco is using 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz? Both? Yes, there's two radios, both on. Ah, you might not use both at once. Fantastic. Okay, then my last question is, so are we optimized the channel, or this is fine? Basically, we will conclude this setup. So this goes so far from my apartment, I still can have a very good connectivity. It's fantastic. This is really good, because I want to have this quite far away from my house, because one day I'm going to drive my Tesla and get the live update. That's what I wanted to do, actually. Okay, that concludes. Very good.